There are four properties of nouns: person, number, gender, and case. Let us first discuss person. Person is that property of a noun or a pronoun which distinguishes the speaker, the person spoken to, and the person or object spoken of. First person. The first person denotes the speaker. For example, I, your new mayor, promise to serve this town with honor and dignity. The noun mayor is the one talking in this sentence. Because of the pronoun I, we can easily distinguish mayor in the first person. Another example. We, the grade 6 pupils, welcome you to our school. The speaker in this sentence are the pupils, and because of the pronoun we, to which the word pupil refers, we can easily distinguish the sentence to be in the first person. The second person. The second person denotes the person addressed or spoken to. For example, Marie, you have to finish your project before the deadline. The person who said this statement is talking to a girl named Marie, and because of the pronoun you, we can easily distinguish the word Marie in the second person. Another example. Come and see, Anna. Anna is the person we are talking to in this sentence. The punctuation mark, comma, also gives us the clue if the noun is in the second person. We use comma if the statement is a direct quotation. The sentence will be different without the comma. For example, come and see Anna. In this sentence, Anna is no longer the person being addressed to. Anna is now in the third person. Third person. The third person denotes the person or object spoken about. For example, that girl is the president's daughter. The nouns girl and daughter are in the third person. Another example. The pupil took the top prize in the contest. The nouns pupil, prize, and contest are in the third person. Let us now answer this activity. Identify the person of each highlighted word. Number 1. You, Josh, should listen closely. The noun Josh is in what person? Second person. Number 2. Ted is the tallest boy in his class. The noun Ted is in what person? Third person. Number 3. I, your aunt, will support you. Aunt is in what person? First person. Number 4. You, my friend, are invited to my birthday party. The word friend is in what person? Second person. Number 5. Every girl is a princess. The word princess is in what person? Third person.